What's good? Yeah man, what's up guys? Yeah man, welcome back to the channel. And with another video, Gabidan Family TV. Yeah man, bless upon yourself man. Yeah man, so today me actually have a story me I actually share with you guys. Yeah man, very interesting, kind of heartbreaking still, Yeah man, this young lady actually I tell a story how she actually get pregnant and the whole trauma and the whole thing where she have to actually, endure and all of these things. Anyway, I just go straight into the story. And me gonna get to understand how I go on, cause I don't know now waste no time. Yeah man, that is it. Yeah man, bless upon yourself. Yeah man, all my loyal viewers and subscribers, you know, give her thanks. Yeah man. So going to the story right now.
Part one of my story, guys. The book is coming out. Look out for it. So at 18, I got pregnant from an unfortunate situation with my first kid. The father said the child is not his. He's not going to own the child. The child don't have his name. And he said before he take care of that child, he would rather unalive the child and the mother. I left him the hell alone. By the time I was 20, I got pregnant with the second kid. 2 months pregnant, the father disappeared on me. I was 20 with 2 babies and no baby daddy. I was labeled as the dirty girl, the worthless girl, the girl who don't know who her baby daddy. I was put down. I had to learn how to be a mother. And I had to be a mother and a father to my children. My children grew up with no father. And me alone raised my pet to them. The odds were stacked against my daughters. People said them not gonna come to nothing in their life. People said them are gonna worthless like them worthless mama. People said them are gonna breed by the time them turn 16 and 17. But you see me, Alicia Lois, I was hell-bent on my children not walking in my footsteps. Let me tell you something. If you want to know about sufferation, if you want to know about hungry, ask me pitney them because them suffer like a dog. One pair of shoes. You understand me? Them not have no clothes. Me fight. Me hustle. Me work. But tell myself, say, anything me have to do to make my children, them, come to something in a life, my own family, cause me pitney them. They were fatherless. I was my daughter's mother and father. Me, Alicia, and I did a damn good job. A lot of people have said, Alicia, you love the younger one, which is Tyra, more than Kira. You treat the younger one more better than the older one. My friend Miss June used to say, Alisa, you know what's you're wicked? That little girl go grow up and hate you because you not treat the picnic good. But here's the thing, every time I look at my daughter, I saw myself in her. And I did not want her to walk in the same footsteps that I walk in. I had to make certain that that picnic was better than me, 10 times better than me. So I tell the little girl, say, you gonna be a surgeon over my dead body. You gonna be a doctor. And I put it in her head. She's smart as shit. The little girl smart. But she love company. And because people betray me, I say, listen to me. Turn on your yard. Me no want you go nobody yard. Who no hit from nobody. Me no make me pin them where nobody all broke. And one pair of shoes you have, you go wear the one pair of shoes. Go school, go church, everywhere. I was a proud mother. And me do it. Remember to us, I'm go through it. Me remember, you see Kira, she's a pick me a pride. Me whoop her ass. Me beat the shit out of her because I say, you come to something in her life like a girl. And she graduated from Temple with 2 degrees. But they care me pitting her like me. But guess what? She come to something in her life, don't? Sure. She never walk in my footstep. I'm proud of my goddamn picnic. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud, I'm a proud mother. I'm a picnic them, hold them head up. Them hold them head up and they never let me down. I'm a fight with me picnic them. I want to put in words. There's no words to describe the pain that I'm feeling. The hurt Because you see, every single thing when I go through in a life come back and hit me. And my face like a ton of brick. I got married to this man. And I did everything for make a marriage work that wasn't working. I sacrificed everything, including my health, to make a marriage work. And after me see, I spent 3 weeks in a psych hospital. I say, you know what? I have to left. Not even left, for matter of fact. I take a break. One time I take a vacation. I get put out of my house. And I say, all right, I'm not fight. I say, I'm going to walk away. Left everything to him. House, everything. I don't want nothing. Come alive. Give him grace. Get him take it. Want peace. And I say, all right. I left the child, give him and his mother. I ask them for nothing. The only thing I ask for, I pay for everything. Make me see me picnic when I want to see me picnic. And because I say I moved to another state, I go buy a house. Him decide saying I'm going to court because he wants sole custody of the picnic. Me only supposed to have visitation right for me picnic. Him fight me. Him win. I say just give him the picnic. Because they were giving me custody of my son. I said, I'm not give him it. Because I want peace. Him win. But that was not enough. Him go back to file. Go after me pay. Hire 3,500 lawyer because he want more money. Say me a travel nurse. The money where I get not enough. Let me tell you something. Yo. Want you to understand, say, yo. It's when you see me ball, I cry.
Tears, man, tears.
When you see me cry,
Tears.
I cry. I cry because, yo, me a hurt. Yo, me a hurt. Yo, me can't find words, but I don't know how me a hurt. I can't find words. When you see me cry, I cry because, yo, me a hurt. Yo, me a hurt.
Rough peeps, rough.
Yo, me can't find words, but I don't know how me a hurt. I can't find words. I can't put it in the words. Can't put it in the words. But you see one thing I know. I serve a living God. And I say, Alicia, I go heal you. I try to trust God, you know. I try to trust God. But sometimes it's hard to trust God when you're in the belly of the fish. It's hard. But I try, but I tell you, say,
Rough.
I hurt. My hurt in words. I can't put in words. Oh, me I hurt. I can't even describe it. Because everything I go through in life come back and hit me with a ton of bricks. And I struggle to get through it. I struggle. Yeah, I struggle to get through it. Because I never know that somebody could have wicked to another person. So I have to ask them the question, what me do you? What me do you? What me do you? What me tell you? What me do him? Yo. When he go in, me tired. Me just tired. Me just tired, you know. Me tired, you know. Lose me car. Lose my house. How much me have to go lose? How much more? Me just tired. Yo, me tired. Yo, me just tired. Me just really tired. Me tired of it. Me tired of him. Me tired of it. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it, you know. I'm tired of him. I'm a pray and I ask God. I say, God. I say, God. I say, God, no make me go down that road there. Because I don't want to go down it. God, keep me. And I try to hold the faith. The devil will fight me, but me a hold her. Because I know who God is. I say, God. I don't want to go down that road there, God. I don't want to go. Tell you something why I'm hurt. You see when my daughter, Kira, was 12. That pitting they suffer. It told me pitting suffer. When she passed to go on Mannings, most outstanding student of the year. Me was parent of the year. I couldn't send her a Mannings. Because she bus fare, school fee, uniform. I couldn't afford it. Plus book. Because one thing about me as a mother, any teacher will tell you, every book on the list, I put them get. Every book, I buy them. Them never have clothes and shoes, but them have book. Because book important. I say, you know, I was going to carry a man your coat. 12 years the man not give him pick $1. 12 years the man watching him pick me suffer.
12 years?
The man threatened to unalive me and the picnic. So I say, all right, I take out a summons to carry my coat. Yeah. When I take out the summons, I'm going to serve because that time I work for JCF and I'm going to serve the motherfucker the summons. Ignorant and that, a long time ignorant, you know. A long time you suffer. You know what the man say? A man call me, he call my mother first, and he said, Miss Grace, I want to talk to you. And my mother go meet him. And he give me mother a lot of my money for Kira. And he said, Miss Grace, talk to your daughter. My mother come, mother say, Keisha, bygones is bygones, leg up there, forgive him. And I say, no. My mother say, call him, Keisha. Call the father. He want to talk to you. And I pick up my phone and I call him and I say, what? I say, what can I help you with? And him say, Alicia, you can't drop the charges against me. I'm sorry. I never think twice. I dropped it. I never think twice. Him apologize. Him say, Alicia, I'm sorry for what I put you through. I'm sorry. How can I make this right? A mother. My son got through it, but they picked me for 12 years. But you know what? There's this thing called grace. True. God not treat we as we sin deserve. So you know what? I didn't treat the man as him sin deserve. I dropped the charges against him. I forgive him. But you see, my blood clot husband couldn't. I take care of my pitney. But the pussy couldn't forgive me. The pussy couldn't drop the charges against him. He might fight me in a court. Lose everything. Run up and down. I hide from blood clot police. Because I'm afraid somebody gonna go to jail. That's why I'm hurt. That's why I'm hurt. Because if a man can threaten to unalive me and the picnic, I never get the picnic $1. And as a mother, we can forgive him and give him grace. Why? Me as a mother will take care of my picnic. Do everything for my little boy. There's not more to do for my son, me pity them. Why? You couldn't say, Alicia, you know what? You was a good blood clot mother. But let it go. That's why I say, the devil a push me to go back to my old ways. The devil say, Alicia, what you want me to do? Because I'm evil. And I say, Lucifer, hold on. Give me a minute, me think about it.
Yes, peeps. Yeah, man. So that is actually kind of come to a close on this story. Yeah, man. It was actually very touching, you know. I just hope actually things kind of really, work out to its best, where this lady, experience all of these things. Because tell you the truth still, if your man really, say him I go unalive in baby mother and in children them, he have a wicked mentality, right? And as she mentioned, she give him grace because, based on his sins, and that's how if you go. Very touching story, very touching story. Well, based on this lady, let me actually say, she's a strong woman. You know, based on the story she mentioned, you know, she tried to do her best for her child, you know, try to make the child become a doctor, you know, through school, and that is a love of a mother to ensure that the child come out to their best, you know. But guys, me no know, some things are going on earth, and sometimes if some people don't really come out and talk about it, it's like you don't really know so all of these things are going, you know. So when me actually first did kind of listen to this lady, um, a bag of things come to my mind. A bag of things come to mind. I decided to say, me just kind of just share it still, because you don't know. I think I just hope things actually kind of just work out here to the best. You know, through Father God, you know, everything just come out to the best. Because as she said, you know, it's like she don't want to go back to her old ways. You know, so it's like say things can't go on. You know, she will do things. I just hope she actually like think about it and just like, make this man just go on. A baby father end of the day still, and the youth them, because end of the day, if she take action, you know, say, you know, it affect the youth them same way. So, you know, good advice, you understand, just let go that, and well, you know, easy still enough to tell you honest truth still. No. When a person actually do some things in a life, is like it play by your mental, you know, based on the last part of what she's actually saying. Yeah, man. So I just hope she actually just do the right thing and just leg off of that. It might not easy, you know. I could maybe try some counseling or something like that still. Yeah, man. It rough, man. It rough. Me literally feel it to my heart. Tell you honest truth. Really feel it to my heart. You know. Yeah, man. But a lot of these things are going on, guys. You know, a lot of these things actually are going. So we just pray for her and just hope, say, you know, to make the right decision and everything all right, and you know, best all the best wishes for her. Just basically that still. Anyway, still, that was actually another video, guys. I do hope you actually, um, you know, get your own little understanding, based on what actually transpired here. You know, yeah, man. So anyway, if you make it so far in the video, you know, give her thanks. Do appreciate, you know, you taking the time out to, yeah, man. Comment, like, and share. You know, yeah, man. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, man. Bless upon yourself. Yeah, so until the next video, guys, just do the right thing, you know? Yeah, man. Just be real to yourself and others. Yeah, man. And do the right thing, man. Yeah, man. Bless up. Until the next video, yeah, man. Gabidan Family TV. Out.